voiceover on because I'm in the works of making some, and I decided to record this. Anyways, content, what is happening, everybody? So this video is going to be just kind of a vlog type, what my day will look like. I'm off today, so we're just doing anything and everything we can, stay productive. It's been a little bit of time, but we got some packages. Of course, just got clamps. Always going to need them, never have them. And we got some more stuff to fix the exhaust, hopefully, at least make it a little bit better. Bada bing, boom, bang! We back at it. We got the Jetta. She's dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Cat's been on it. Holy, it's been 4 months since she's had a wash. Maybe a little bit longer. Anyways, it is honestly a little bit nicer than I thought it was. I think I bundled up a little bit too much, but if anything, we'll take layers off. Doesn't matter. Today, steering rack. Which means, first step, let's get this baby jacked. Alright y'all, about an hour has passed. I've been back and forth between a few things. Cleaned up a little bit, got the toolbox out, but we finally have the car jacked up. We've got it double secured, jack stand, cement block, big old piece of wood. You all already know. We pre-loosened lug nuts before we put the car in the air, and now we can take the lug nuts out, remove the wheels, and then actually get started with our power steering. New day, couple of things I want to go over. First, the car is still jacked. We will work on that a couple days. I'm working this, that, weather. Anyway, it's going to be nice soon. We'll work on it. In the mail, we finally got our tie rods. I'm not going to lie, I forgot I ordered these, so when they came in, I was really confused on what it was. But I was smart to order new ones since it's all going to be a part anyways. Just change it all. And now the second thing I want to talk about real quick. I don't know if you guys are big on it. If you are, cool. If you're not, no problem. Skip past 10 seconds. But a little messy. Here is our streaming setup. A little dark. Can't see much. Streaming on Twitch. I try and stream every weekday at least once. But I've got 2 streams planned each day. Anyways. Alright, we are now back. The car, we got it jacked up. We finally have some amazing weather. It's like 50, 55 right now. There's like no wind. Perfect day to work on the car. Exactly what I've been waiting for. So, let's get into this. So in the process of trying to take off my tie rods, I took off the rubber thing right here, alright? It wasn't that bad. But this bottom bolt does not want to come off. As you see, it spins the whole stud on the inside, which isn't supposed to happen because it popped out prematurely. Anyways, solution hopefully being channel locks to grip onto that top bolt. Hopefully it doesn't move, and then I can unscrew the bolt, and then we can unscrew a few bolts in the subframe, drop that, get the rest of the steering rack out, and replace, hopefully. Oop, smack that bit. Bada bing, boom, bang. Alright, tie rods out, and now we move on to
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today I'm going to show you how you can tell if you're
we're joking, I did my research beforehand. I just got to undo a few bolts in my subframe, and I've already got my jack under there. And we're just gonna slowly drop her down I'm gonna be careful of all my hose lines and everything like that. And once I can, we're gonna disconnect all of those, and hopefully it's as easy as just lowering it off, sliding it out. The next thing I'm gonna do is come in here, and this panel, there's 2 of these screws. They're just like plastic flatheads. I'm gonna unscrew them, take the panel off, and there's a joint in there. I need to take out the bolt. That's to basically take my steering wheel apart from the steering rack, so it's no longer connected. Now with a little persuading, there's no longer a bolt in that hole, and so when I drop the subframe, it should just come right off. It gave me a little bit of trouble, but we finally got the bolt out. And now I'm almost positive that I can just drop it. I've taken all the bolts out. All the lines are disconnected. I just hope I'm not missing anything. But I guess regardless, we're just gonna continue to drop it, see how that goes. As long as nothing breaks, we'll yank her out and but throw on the new tie rods to the new steering rack and throw that all in place. Ah! Holy.
Victory screech!
Alright, as we can see, this thing's kind of a mess. Then again, it is 20 years old. That's the damage from my exhaust that it was doing. There's a broken line. And yeah, these were shot like completely. So, not using any of it. Bought a brand new steering rack. And we also bought extra parts we didn't really need, but we are going to use these tie rods. Brand new. So I'm going to throw the tie rods on, counting the threads, so that I can get the best to straight alignment as possible. I'm still going to need alignment after this, but you know. So let's just start transferring stuff over. Now we have our tie rods back on. Easy as that. We will take out these caps whenever we are ready and about to throw those on, and take this off once we're ready to shove it back in. But now I think I might try my best to clean the subframe because it's pretty dirty right now from all the leakage. Honestly guys, I'm losing track of what I've shown you, but you guys can see barely, not really. I've got both the lines back in. I've got all the bolts hand tight, and we have reconnected our steering column. So at this point, all I've left is to reconnect my bottom mount, my bottom engine mount that connects to my subframe, and then just tighten all the bolts up and connect my tie rods, and we are all good. And guys, that is where and how this video is going to end off. Definitely a little bit of a more productive video, at least I'd say so. Calling the shop in the next couple days. By the time the next video comes out, car should be back from the shop already and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you're feeling down below. Do you like how it's going so far? Do you like the direction we're taking, the editing, all of that? Let me know how you feel about the streaming down below. Let me know if you'll pop in for that. And honestly, I think guys, if you've made it to the end of the video, I've got something special to tell you. I think if we get it to 200 subscribers, as soon as we hit 200, I don't know if I'll fully drop the merch, but I might have a limited supply of merch to see how it goes, to see who wants it and how all that goes. So anyways, once we get to 200 subscribers, we'll drop a limited supply of merch most likely. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. This has been episode 43, fixing up my steering rack, getting the car ready for the road again. I'll see y'all next time.